back, Statesman. I am so happy that you are back at school, and even more happy that you are here in the library, ready to find out what kinds of books you're going to check out this year, and especially what kind of new books we have for you. So boys and girls, if you are just joining us at Washington Henry for the first time, if you are a preschooler or a kindergartner or a new student, I want to welcome you to the library. My name is Mrs. Cridlin, and I'm here sometimes helping you find good books, checking out your books, and importantly, getting new books ready for you to check out. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have today. Some of these books are new copies of old titles that had fallen apart, but now they're ready for you to check out again. So we have, we'll start with fiction. We have New Percy Jackson and the Olympians book. We've got a great fiction series that actually is a little creepy. So if you like creepy books, look for these. One about, it's called Zombie Stories, Monster Stories, Ghost Stories, and Sorcery Stories. So these look really fun to read. We've got a new Kate DiCamillo book called Ferris. We've got a new Gordon Corman book called What's His Face? And finally, in our fiction section, we have a new Wings of Fire book, Guide to the Dragon World. So if that is your cup of tea, I bet you'll really, really like this book. Let's move on to nonfiction. We've got some really, really fun ones for you to see. We've got some new Pokemon. We have 2 books in a series. This is called The Secret Life of the Loch Ness Monster and The Secret Life of the Yeti. So these look really good too. I'm sure we've got a lot of Swifties that'll be thrilled to see these 2 new Taylor Swift books in our library. We've got a new National Geographic, The Ultimate Mammalopedia. So I love these National Geographic books because the photographs are just fantastic in them. So I hope you will check that out. I hope you'll be extra careful with it because it is a very large, heavy book, and when you drop it, it breaks easily. And then, Ms. Cridlin, I will fix it, but just be careful with it. We also have, this is Ms. Letourneau. I didn't realize how many of these we had. All of these new Who Would Win books. So they're hardcover. They're gonna last forever. You guys know where to find them in the Who Would Win bin in the library. We'll have them on the new bookshelf for a while, but then we'll move them over to the Who Would Win bin. So these will be great for you. We've got a new Minecraft book called Using Math in Minecraft. I love that. This is a really popular series too, so I hope you love this. Let's move on to graphic novels. We've got a whole stack of them. We've got the newest Spy School graphic novel. We have, we did not have Bad Guys #1. It had fallen apart. So now we have a hardcover copy of that for you to check out. We've got a great new one called A Cat Story. We've got the newest City of Dragons graphic. This is the second one in the series. So if you loved the first one, make sure you check out that. We have got number 3, I think. Yes, number 3 in the Pause series is ready to be checked out. We have 2 new Sweet Valley Twin series, books number 2 and 3. We already had 1, so we've got these. An additional copy of City of Dragons. We've got another book in the series, Gnome and Rat. And then these are cool. These are some sports graphic novels that we thought you all would love to try. We've got a book about Simone Biles as a graphic novel, Tom Brady, Serena Williams, and the Great Bambino. So those are fun, and as well as one more Pokemon graphic novel. So we got a great variety for you to try. Ms. Letourneau, let's keep going. We've got so much to show them. These are our new picture books to start off the school year. This is a really sweet book called A Big Mooncake for Little Star. That's a great award-winning book. This also, Blizzard, is a very famous book to read. And I don't know what Ms. Letourneau's telling me.
Snow this year.
And what?
We're going to get a snow day this year.
Oh, gosh. Can we do a close-up on this one, please? Even though it's hot outside, we're already thinking about snow. This book is called Something Someday. It's super sweet. This little boy notices outside of his apartment that there is a lot of trash on the ground. Everyone tells him that what he does doesn't really make a difference. If you pick up that one little piece of trash, it doesn't really make a difference. But He does it anyway, and then pretty soon he recruits his friends and the other people in the neighborhood, and because of his determination in doing what was right, now they have a beautiful space instead of litter all over. So this is a really sweet story with great illustrations. If you are a Bluey fan, we have got you covered for the start of the school year. Bluey goes to the beach. Bluey goes camping. Bluey hangs out at the creek. Bluey goes to school, mom's school. That's what Bluey's doing in this book. They're really sweet, cute books. We have a copy of Geraldine, a sweet story about Geraldine the giraffe. If you remember Madeline Finn, the library dog, then you will love Madeline Finn and the therapy dog, Madeline Finn and the blessing of the animals. They're all really, really sweet picture books. We have got some new Waldo books for you to enjoy, so I hope you will check these out. They're so much fun. And finally, let's move on to our other set of chapter books. If you love Press Start, we have got you covered. We have got the newest in the Press Start series. They're all hardcover. They're gonna last a long time. These are great. We've got some new Dragon Master series books. These are really fun. All part of a series that we already have in the library. They're great. If some of you like Jake Maddox, we have got some new Jake Maddox books about soccer, baseball, basketball, more soccer, hip-hop dancing. Speaking of that, did anybody watch breakdancing in the Olympics? I hope so. I hope you were able to watch it. I think that might be my new hobby that I take up. So I was really excited. Okay, we also have a book about karate. Oh, Miss Letourneau, I forgot that these books were over there. This is a new series. We haven't had these books before. They look really fun. The series is called Pets Rule. There's the rise of the goldfish. The title is My Kingdom of Darkness. It just looks really, really funny to me. The Poodle of Doom, Invasion of the Pugs, Kittens Are Monsters. It just is a really, really fun, cute series. Teachers, let me just show you real quick. These are chapter books, but you'll see they're supported with illustrations and kind of larger text. So teachers, if you're looking for maybe a variety of chapter books for your classroom, if you want to just send me an email, let me know, and I can put together something for you. I think that is it. Oh my gosh, I'm exhausted. Let's wrap this up. I feel like you all have other things to do other than just watch me talk to you about books. I'm so glad you're here. I can't wait to see you again soon. Come visit me in the library. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and we are actually a live YouTube channel. So we have how many followers, Miss Letourneau? 85 million followers. So if you want to go ahead and be part of that group, find us at WHES Library, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.